Planning for vacations can be quite annoying and complicated. But after watching this video, you will never have to do that again. I created this awesome vacation plan in less than 20 seconds. And you can do that too. Access the tool via homepage. You can find it under Roamaround AI. Type in your travel destination, and this AI tool will do the rest. After a few seconds of waiting, the AI created a quite cool vacation plan for you. But this is not all. You can bring this travel plan to the next level with a simple trick. But before that, a small personal request. This is not a sponsored video, and I don't get any money from this tool. You would do me a huge favor if you would support me by subscribing to my channel and sharing this video with someone who could find that tool useful. So a cool trick is to personalize your vacation plan. Up there, you can not only define the length of your travel, but also define what kind of vacation you want. For example, family-friendly, a culinary adventure, basically everything you can imagine. I like my vacations more sportive, and this ChatGPT-based tool edited the vacation plan in a second. Just tell the AI how you enjoy your vacations, and it does the rest for you. The best part, until now this tool is completely free. I hope I could help you with this video, and see you in the next one.